Hello, I'm and I'm head of the Customer Services and Motor Repair Center in Drásov. At Innomotics, we know that every motor is the heart of the technology, and it's our job to keep motors running. Motor Repair Shop specializes on preventive maintenances, refurbishments, and comprehensive repairs of synchronous, asynchronous, and DC motors and generators, regardless of their makers. We handle repairs of motors from few kilowatts to megawatts, from small motors to really big ones. We work closely with our parent production plant in Drásov. We share with them the most modern winding production technologies and an advanced quality system. We also focus on reverse engineering and production of the specific windings. Thanks to this, we can restore even the most complex components where the original documentation and spare parts are not available. Our motor repair portfolio also includes the repairs of motors operating in explosive atmospheres. In such area, maintaining maximum precision, safety, and keeping the strict standards is the key. Behind everything is our motivated team of experts, from the experienced workers in the workshop to customer support in the offices. We are really proud of what we do.